Hi guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep video for this week. I hope you've been enjoying all of my New Year's healthy recipes. If you are trying to eat a little healthier in the new year, check out all the healthy recipes I have on my channel. They're all super simple. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. You'll get a notification each time I post a new video. So thanks so much for being here to watching this one. I'm gonna do a stuffed chicken for this week. You guys know I love stuffed chicken. I have tons of stuffed chicken recipes on my channel, so check those out. But I'm gonna I have Gouda cheese and an apple. So I'm going to do a stuffed chicken with Gouda, apple, and then I have some fresh thyme. I'm gonna add that to the stuffed chicken. I'm gonna do a side of zucchini, and then I use this vegetable seasoning. I just love it in most of my vegetables. So I'm gonna saute up the zucchini. That will be my vegetable side. So a nice, healthy keto recipe for this week for meal prepping. I hope that this gives you a little bit of inspiration to do some meal prepping, stay healthy, stay on your portion control if you're trying to just really regulate portions, healthiness, and just getting healthy in the new year. So I love any kind of stuffed chicken, and this one's gonna be awesome. So I will put all these ingredients in the description box, and I will get this stuffed chicken ready for the week.
So I'm using 2 chicken breasts because they're kind of big, and definitely a whole one would be way too much for each meal for each day this week. But I'm going to fly open each chicken breast, and so I'm just going to cut it through the middle, and I'm going to keep it attached so that it's flied open. And then I'm also going to cut it in half again so that it's portioned out. So each one of these will be one lunch portion. I like to cut it before I cook it because sometimes it kind of all of the filling comes out if you cut it after it's cooked, but you can do it either way. So I'm going to open these up, and then they'll be ready for my sliced apple. So I'm using green apple because I think it tastes really great with the Gouda, but you can use any kind of apple you'd like. But these just have really good flavor, a really good flavor combination. So I'm just going to put a slice onto each chicken. And then once it has the apple on, I will add on a slice of Gouda, Gouda cheese to each side of the chicken breast. So I'm just going to kind of make it smaller so that it doesn't come out too much. I want to put it in the center of the chicken so that when it melts and cooks, it pretty much stays inside. But so Gouda is perfect with this. Like I said, a really awesome combination with the chicken and the apple and the thyme. So I'm going to now add in the fresh thyme, and I'm just going to kind of take it off of the stem and put little pieces into the center of each chicken. So I'm just going to kind of peel those off and just put a little bit on each one, and I'm going to make sure I don't get too many clumps. But this is such a great seasoning that goes perfect with this, and such a healthy meal prep. Like I said, we're being healthy for the start of the year, about almost halfway done already with January, which is crazy, second week. But so I am going to put the top over on the chicken, and then I'm going to secure them closed with a little toothpick. And so it'll make sure that it kind of keeps the top of the chicken and all of the filling inside while it's cooking, so that it doesn't kind of just ooze out everywhere because it's so good. We want to keep it all inside. So I have my chicken on my baking mat. You guys know I love my baking mat. So on my cookie sheet and baking mat, I'm going to brush over a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning on top, some vegetable seasoning, and a little bit of garlic powder. And then I'm going to bake this in the oven. It's already preheated at 350 degrees. So I'm going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how big your chicken is. These are pretty big pieces. So I'm going to put these in the oven for about 25 minutes. I'll check them. It might take about 30 minutes. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to saute up the zucchini. So I'm going to add some olive oil, and then I've chopped up my zucchini, and I'm just going to cook it in my pan with the vegetable seasoning that I use, that I love. It goes perfect with zucchini, broccoli, any kind of vegetable really. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder to give a little more flavor. So I'm going to stir this all around and cook it. And zucchini doesn't take very long to cook, just like 5 or 6 minutes. So I'm going to cook this while the chicken is cooking.
All right, you guys, so my stuffed chicken is all done and my zucchini as well. So I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers. You guys know I love these containers, glass, really great quality. Got them on Amazon. So if you need some new ones for lots of healthy meal prepping for the new year, check these out. I'll put a link in the description box. So I am gonna just portion everything out. Lunch will be ready to go for each day this week. I'll just pull it out of the fridge, heat it up, and it's nice and healthy and ready to go. So lunch is all portioned out, ready to go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. It is so delicious. The Gouda with the apples and the chicken is so good. Such a great combo. So I hope you give this one a try. Click subscribe if you are new to my channel. Put a like on this video and leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope that you're having a really great new year, a couple weeks in, but I hope that it's going wonderful for you. Hope you're nice and healthy and enjoying your new year. So I will see you guys all next time. Lots more healthy meals coming your way. If you haven't checked back on all my other healthy meal preps, if you need some inspiration, just go to my channel and have lots there for you. So I hope that you have a really great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.